Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Honkai Star Rail private servers. First, it is crucial to understand that private servers are not official and carry inherent risks, such as potential security vulnerabilities or game instability. Always proceed with caution. Begin by locating and downloading the specific private server client files from a trusted community source. Verify your device meets the game's minimum system requirements to ensure a smooth experience. Once you have downloaded the client files, extract them into a dedicated folder on your computer. This helps keep your game files organized and separate from any official installations. Next, find the main executable file within the extracted folder, usually named something like Launcher or Setup, and run it. Carefully follow all the on-screen instructions to install the private server client correctly onto your system. After installation, you will need to configure the client to connect to the private server. Open the client and navigate to its settings or connection options. Here, you will typically input the specific server address and port number provided by the private server community. Once these details are entered, you can proceed to create a new account or log in using any existing credentials you might have for that particular server. With everything set up, you are now ready to enjoy the Honkai Star Rail private server. These servers often feature unique content, modified rates, or custom events not found in the official game. Actively engage with the private server's community forums or Discord channels for support and updates. Remember that private servers can experience unexpected resets or updates, so stay informed through their official communication channels.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.